You've seen the promises: be lazy, work from anywhere, make millions, and retire early. The affiliate marketing world is full of gurus telling you that. And as someone who's been on both sides of the camera as a viewer and affiliate marketer, I have fallen for the hype too. And what's worse, I've been actually part of the problem for years, making the same shiny promises and creating unrealistic expectations. But I can't do it anymore, and I'm done with the lies. And you might think it is just another affiliate marketer crying about the industry, but trust me, this is different. I'm not here to bash other people. I'm here to expose the truth about myself and the industry as a whole. Which aspects are extremely overhyped, what strategies really work, and what do you actually need to make it big in the affiliate space? It's time to pull back the curtain and show you what goes on behind the scenes. So let's get through the bias together, starting with the first lie. Affiliate marketing is the best passive income source. Everyone claims that affiliate marketing is the ultimate lazy hustle where the money rolls in as you are on a vacation on a beach. And you know what? I won't even blame this one only on the affiliate gurus, because if you were go to Google and type best passive income business, the first thing that is going to pop up is affiliate marketing. And even major publications like Forbes, Investopedia, or CNN are on board. But let's be honest for a second. We thrown around terms like passive income and side hustle so much, especially in the money-making world, that they have lost all meaning. It's like we are all hypnotized by the idea of effortless cash. But here is the cold, hard truth. Affiliate marketing is not passive from get-go. I mean, think about it. Every successful business needs investment, right? Whether it's time, money, or energy, affiliate marketing is just no different. The reality is that you'll be spending countless of hours behind the scenes on finding products, researching, creating content, analyzing traffic, and tracking conversions before you can even think about passive income. When I started this business back in college, I was coming home tired from all the classes and part-time jobs, yet I still had to give it 1 to 2 hours daily. No excuses. As it turns out, the more time and work you actively put in, the more your chances of finding success and making money early. And then, with time, it can be a passive income source on the condition that you consistently keep up with it. But here's the thing. Even when you are putting in all that effort, you might realize that it's just not enough. To truly stand out in a crowded market, you need something extra. And that's where my next point comes in. Affiliate marketing is free. That is another big claim of affiliate marketing, isn't it? It's 100% free. You don't need a product. You don't need inventory. This isn't even about paid ads. You can work pretty well with organic marketing. So wait, if all of those are actually green flags, then what is the catch? The information out there. You see, with all the millions of affiliate marketing videos, guides, and strategies, there is a massive learning curve. If you want to get ahead, you need to invest in learning and guidance. It doesn't even have to be a huge amount. You can work with $500 to $1,000, because otherwise, trying to figure out everything on your own can be a long, expensive process filled with trials and errors. I wasted my first 3 months like that. It was so frustrating, and despite of me busting my ass off, I wasn't seeing any results. It wasn't until I found a mentor that I could make 10K in the next 3 months. The point is, you need someone to show you the ropes, to tell you exactly what works and what doesn't. And I know you would immediately think, okay, here comes his sales pitch for his mentorship. Well, you can keep waiting, because that is not coming. I'm not here to promote myself. Up until now, maybe other gurus have taken the same approach, presenting you this as a reason to invest in their program. But for me, you can pick any mentor, any course or program you like out there. Just stay away from those all-expert affiliate Yodas who shows no real results. Look for someone who is transparent about their strategies and can back up their claims with a proof. Remember, investing in a mentor or a good course can save you countless of hours and dollars. And while I'm at it, let me address another one of your potential thoughts. Why don't free courses work? Why do I have to pay to learn? Because if someone is giving away all free info, chances are they are holding back their best stuff. Think about it. They have spent years learning those strategies, refining them, testing them, and until they became an expert at it. And now they have started a business to teach others. So their time, effort, and experience are valuable too, right? And the bottom line is, while affiliate marketing might be free to start, it's definitely not free to master. Okay, moving on to something I actually learned from my very first coach. For affiliate marketing, you need to find one most profitable niche and stick with it. Heard this one too, right? Every affiliate marketing guru out there preaches about you finding your perfect niche. They even give you a list of the most profitable niches, saying you will absolutely make money from them. Like, I have suggested niches too, but let's be honest, picking a niche can be paralyzing, and there are two reasons why. First, you are interested in too many things and just can't pick one. Or second, you just don't have interest in something what could be labeled as a profitable niche, at least at the point where you consistently pursue it for months or years. That's why the obsession with finding the golden niche is a trap. You end up spending countless of hours researching and analyzing only to realize there is no such thing as a guaranteed winner. Many successful affiliates have gone through multiple different niches until they found the real success. Then what should you do? First, start by finding a product that aligns with your interests and expertise. You will notice that some of them will look more promotable than others because they have better description, better sales page, the product overall just looks better, or they target a specific problem in that niche. Then you can also look for things like high commission, number of sales of the product, if they have good sales assets or resources, and if possible, look for affiliates which are actively and successfully promoting that product at this moment. And here comes the magic. Once you choose a product that you actually like, the niche will come along with it. That means instead of spending days, weeks, maybe months looking for the most profitable niche and something that shows some interest in, just ideas floating in your mind, now you will have a product with a sales page, with assets, with price, and something that is actually tangible and you can see how it looks like, and so it's going to be much easier to make decision. And yes, of course, some niches can be more profitable than others, but think about it. If a product fulfills a consumer demand, everything else just doesn't matter. The truth is there is no one-size-fits-all approach to niche selection. It's about finding what works for you and your audience. That's literally it. Moving on to affiliate marketing with AI. Ever since artificial intelligence became mainstream, every business model has introduced an AI strategy. So obviously there are thousands of videos about starting an affiliate business with AI. Any idiot can start affiliate marketing using AI with 0 followers. I won't even go there, but I admit to videos on this strategy too. But the truth is, you can't run a business on AI. Well, not 100% at least. I know you heard that a lot of times, but what exactly does it mean? Let me give you an example. You're starting a social media account to promote an affiliate. The AI strategy will suggest an AI chatbot for writing scripts, caption, description, blogs. Introduce you to an AI video editor or even AI text-to-image or video models that have simplified major content creation aspects. Now the problem with these strategies is not using AI. It's relying completely on it. Most gurus just give you a template and forget to mention that you have to put in the work too. You have to research the platforms for ideas, find the latest trends or demand, and more importantly, what is working. And then you can take, say, ChatGPT's help to write script, but you have to spend 5 to 10 minutes polishing it, humanizing it, so it doesn't look like it's from a robot, but usually is. Because let's be honest, we all can spot AI-generated content in a blink, especially on social platforms where human connections and interactions are at the forefront. Humans are pretty perceptive like that, and at the end of the day, people connect with other people, not with machines. While AI can help you to automate the task and generate the content, it can't replicate the genuine relationship with you building with your audience. That's your job. These AI strategies and gurus that promote it so enthusiastically have created an illusion of overnight success. People think that they can pump out AI-generated content and some affiliate links and watch the cash just roll in. But unfortunately, no, you have to put in the work, and if I'm being honest, a regular person can't actually do that. There is another major factor that comes in here, and that's bringing me to another lie. Affiliate marketing needs no skills. On paper, sure, you don't need any specific qualifications to start affiliate marketing, but the reality is far from it. While you don't need a degree or certification, you absolutely need a skill set. You can't move past the starting line without knowing these basic skills. Like copywriting, there is writing and then there is a copywriting, where you are writing content targeted to convince someone to buy stuff. And for it, you need to know what hook catches attention, show the benefits, how to phrase a script in such a way that the viewers instantly want to buy. Then, for example, editing. Nobody likes typos, awkward sentences, or rambling. You need to know which part of the content is needed and which to remove. Then basic designing. Thanks to AI tools and existing templates like on Canva, anyone can now design stuff. But if you improve that just by 10%, you can know how to create a good-looking product page, social media graphic, or email that grabs attention and make you stand out. And in marketing, the most important aspect of affiliate marketing, that everyone forgets. You need to know how to market the product to sell it, and this includes understanding your audience, knowing where to find them, and figuring out how to get their attention. To put it shortly, it's about building a brand and creating a buzz. And lastly, sales. Now, marketing brings you visitors, and your sales skills will close the deal. You're basically a salesperson without the face-to-face pressure. So knowing how to convince someone to buy is a huge plus, and show them how your product solves their specific problem. And technical skills. No coding here, only a basic understanding of landing pages, search engine optimization, and how the platform you are promoting works. I know it already sounds intimidating, but again, no one is asking you to be an expert in any of these. Just learn the basics to get by, and the rest, your experience as a business owner will automatically teach you. To make it even better, most of you already have some of the skills. Maybe some of you have a good eye for a design, maybe you're a killer with the words, maybe computers and tech stuff comes easy to you, and maybe you just know how to convince someone. And I haven't even covered the best part yet. Even if you don't have 1% of any of these skills are easily learnable, no matter your age, your education, or understanding. Anyone can learn them. But if you think you can be successful without them, you couldn't be more wrong, pal. That is the entire crux of this video. Gurus, including myself, have been giving you unrealistic expectations by preaching this. Affiliate marketing is easy. This is the biggest wake-up call. Affiliate marketing is not easy by any means. In the past few years, and in some of my videos, I have presented affiliate marketing as a piece of cake. I've looked in the camera, smiled, and told you how simple it all is. I have glorified it as being the easiest business model. And you know what? It still is the easiest business model out there. But it requires effort and the right actions at the right time. Otherwise, it can be pretty hard. Because there is competition, algorithm changes, and suddenly what worked yesterday doesn't have to work today. Today, if you want to make a huge sums of money as an affiliate marketer, you just need to put in the action. And let me be brutally honest here. The days of grabbing affiliate link and posting it somewhere and making money are over. Or the days of setting up a simple website and making money passively out of it. That could have worked in 2010, but trust me, not anymore. But I know that some gurus are still preaching it, so please just ignore it. So if you think you're going to stroll in just by creating a simple website with couple affiliate links and make money just like that, you're in for a rude awakening. I don't mean to discourage you by selling all this, and I'm not even saying that you shouldn't go for affiliate marketing. You definitely should. It's still the easiest and requires the least effort compared to all other business models out there. But expect to put in some effort. The industry has evolved, and so should your mindset. It's no longer about finding a quick money-making schemes, but building a sustainable business. And the more effort you put in, the more success you will see and the more money you will make. But that is the game, isn't it? You always need to be ready to evolve, try new things, and always be on the lookout to the next big opportunity. It's exhausting, I know, but it's also exciting. There is always something new to learn, a new skill to master, or a fresh perspective to gain. So the key takeaway is to open yourself to learning, improving, and putting in effort. Remember, I've been there, done that, fallen for the same lies, and promoted the same lies. But I have learned my lesson and want to share it with you. Don't let unrealistic expectations hold you back. The affiliate marketing world is tough, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With the right mindset and the right approach, you can build a successful and fulfilling career. So if you're ready to put in the work, I believe in you. Let's stop chasing the hype and start building something real. If you would like to get some real strategies on how to start affiliate marketing in 2024, then don't forget to leave a subscribe and hit the notification bell so that I can notify you every single time when I'm going to post a new affiliate marketing strategy. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. Let me know in the comments if you have any question. But for this one, it was everything from me, and I will see you in the next one.